Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Whitstable taking a look at number 20 St Mary's Grove. Now, really important point on this one is accessibility down to the seafront. Now, this property itself is located just off of Preston Parade in Whitstable, giving you an incredible access point straight through onto one of the area's most popular beaches. Now, coming straight through into the main entrance hallway space, you can already get a sense of what the property has on offer, and that really becomes abundantly clear as soon as you come through to the rear, where you can find yourselves in this wonderful open plan kitchen and family space. Now, the room really has been maximised here to offer a huge amount of natural light flooding through into the room, and it still has that wonderful cosy sense with the wood burning stove there just ahead of us. You can see to the rear we've got that wonderful set of bifolding doors, again giving you that accessibility out into the private rear garden with the decked area, and we will go out and take a look at that a little bit later on in the tour, but for now we're going to continue on and straight through and take a look at the kitchen. Now, the kitchen itself, nice and modern, again open plan through to that living space there. You do have a full range of fitted appliances here with the gas hob there, and of course just taking a look over and across the living space here, it's a really impressive amount of room, and it does free up the rest of the property to offer you some fantastic bedroom spaces. Now, with this property you do have two ground floor bedrooms, both benefiting from ensuite shower rooms as well, so really nice and convenient, and the property does give you an incredibly versatile layout. Now, coming through into the first of two ground floor double bedrooms here, you can see wonderful amounts of space with the access on the left hand side through into the ensuite shower room, and that nice big window there at the side giving you plenty of natural light coming through, and storage is certainly no issue with this property here at all because you've got plenty of space for it. So just taking a quick look here at the ensuite shower room here, nice finish again with the shower on the left hand side and the loo and sink unit, and coming back through into the main entrance hallway space again, we'll carry on along the corridor and find ourselves in the second of the two ground floor bedrooms. Now again, this room fantastic in size, and again on the ground floor, so it gives you wonderful accessibility options with that lovely big window at the front overlooking the front driveway where we've got plenty of off-road parking. Now we'll go through and take a look at the ensuite, and then we'll go through and take a look at the cloakroom in the main entrance hallway space before going upstairs onto the landing and taking a look at the rest of the property. So here we are up on the first floor on the landing space, and you can see again with that Velux window at the side letting all of that natural light flood through and down into the entrance hallway space, we've got that beautiful modern finish yet again. Now I really do like this bedroom. You've got that fantastic Juliet balcony to the rear, just overlooking the rear garden there with that wonderful little view, and the bedroom itself is a fantastic double size again. Now this room does come with the benefit of the ensuite shower room again, so plenty of space for storage with the fitted units just there ahead of us, and of course this beautiful ensuite shower room with the shower on the right hand side, nice big shower unit there as well with the loo and the sink unit as well. Now coming back out, we're going to go through to the landing again, go and take a look at another double bedroom again, this time with an ensuite bathroom, but just before we do that we'll take a look on the left hand side here at a really convenient study space. Now that's often what is lacking in a family home, is just a space that you can work from, and of course you've got plenty of room in here for the desk and the chair and for plenty of storage. Now coming back across the landing and through into the second of the 2 double bedrooms up here, you can see again plenty of storage on the right hand side, plenty of room in here for the double bed, and of course that Velux window to the side and the windows to the front as well. So we'll go through and take a look at the ensuite bathroom here before going back downstairs and out into the rear garden, and we'll start to wrap up today's tour. So we've just come out into the rear garden here from the set of bifolding doors, just out from that beautiful lounge and kitchen family area there, and we're on the decking just taking a look at what we have here. Now we're going to start just by recapping a few points here. Of course, this is a detached family home, giving you fantastic accessibility through onto Preston Parade and down to a very, very popular beach indeed. So I really do hope that you enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today. I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.